Hey everyone, it's Akhila. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in Vizag and I've decided to go on a ride on this cable car to Kailasagiri. Hello. We took a rickshaw from our stay to the base point of Kailasagiri Hill. We reached the base location. This is where the ropeway starts. There are a couple of stalls on the way where you can buy hats and sunglasses. 100 rupees box. Once we're on top, I'm going to show you 10 different things you can do in this place. Today's a weekend and there is a huge queue. We first have to take a 10 rupees mandatory ticket here, and then there's another separate ticket for the ropeway, which costs 150 for both ways up and down. This ropeway is open from 11 am to 6 pm with a 1-hour lunch break, so the ropeway is not operational from 1 pm to 2 pm. After collecting the tickets, we have to walk up a little bit to the starting point. This ropeway was inaugurated in 2004. As you go up, you get to witness some amazing views. This ropeway is the first of its kind in the whole of Andhra Pradesh. And by the way, this is going to be my first experience with a cable car. Did you know that cable cars are motorless and engineless? That's ours. Let's go. If you're afraid of heights, then there are other options to reach the top of this hill. You could go by walk or take your own vehicle, 2 or 4-wheelers. They also have bus facilities available. Oh my god, look at how beautiful the ocean is. We already reached the top of the hill. It was hardly a 5 minutes ride. So apparently if you are still on top of the hill after 1 p.m. then you have to be there up to 2 p.m. Oh, and there's also a toy train that takes you around this place. Hi Anurag. If you know, you know. Now there's a lot of things you can do here on top of this hill. Firstly, there's this children park. Then you could do a little bit of shopping. You could also try horse riding here. And then the most popular Shiva Parvati idols right there. This hill is at a height of 568 feet. You'll find many people here with cameras asking you to click pictures with the statue. This whole park is over 380 acres. This place here is called Titanic Viewpoint, constructed in the shape of the front part of a ship. From here you get to see a breathtaking view of the Bay of Bengal. You could get a portrait sketch for 300 bucks. You could also do street shopping. Here is the toy train ready to leave. If you're coming in a bus or your own vehicles, this is where you halt. This is the Doppler weather radar station of Vizag. You could play cricket, and of course, you could take this ropeway ride. Tired faces. On your ride back, you just have to show them the same ticket you took at the start. Successfully, we finished it all before 1 p.m. and we are leaving for lunch. Who wouldn't love some goli soda in this hot weather?
Next place ఏంటి?
అది కూడా ఆయన అడగండి. ఇది అయిపోయింది. రుషికొండ ఇదే కదా?
రుషికొండ ఇది కాదు. 10 కిలోమీటర్స్. రుషికొండ బీచ్ బాగుంటది. రెస్టారెంట్ అక్కడే ఉంటుంది. బోటింగ్ అయితే ఉంటదండి అక్కడ. బోటింగ్ ఉంటది.
బోటింగ్ కూడా ఉంటదా?
రుషికొండ బీచ్. రెస్టారెంట్ ఉంటుంది. గవర్నమెంట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి కరెక్ట్ మీ 9 కిలోమీటర్స్.
If you like my video,
like,
share, subscribe.
thank you.
Comment అనేది చెప్పాలి కదా.